What do you think about the changed pattern of IAS main exam?
IAS mains exam has become holistic since the change in pattern. It has become more oriented towards current affairs, and the various subsections like social issues, governance issues, security issues are being focused because of the nature of the paper, since this is a paper for a good administrator. So I think that is a good development. और मेंस के लिए करंट अफेयर्स का पढ़ना ज़रूरी होता है, तो आप इंटीग्रेटेड अप्रोच से अपनी प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करिए. ऐसा मत करिए कि पहले आप प्रीलिम्स के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं फिर आप 4 महीने मेंस के लिए पढ़ेंगे. ऐसे नहीं होता. आप पहले से ही मेंस को ध्यान में रख के पढ़ना स्टार्ट करिए. एक और पेपर है एथिक्स. एथिक्स पेपर हैज़ बिकम टू इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मेंस नाउअडेज, बिकॉज हम जो काम करने जा रहे हैं उसमें एथिकल वैल्यूज़ का होना कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो मेंस इज़ एन ऑलराउंड पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट. It gives you opportunity to write your answers which has been framing in your mind. So I think मेंस का जो अप्रोच होना चाहिए वो अपने आप का सोच को बदलने का अप्रोच होना चाहिए. एक ब्रॉड पर्सपेक्टिव का आंसर लिखना चाहिए.
When did you start the preparation for IAS main exam?
Since I said earlier also, मैंने जब प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट की थी तो मैंने मेंस अप्रोच के साथ ही की थी. प्रीलिम्स के लिए प्रीलिम्स के पहले 2-3 महीने सिर्फ प्रीलिम्स को टाइम दिया था, बट मेंस के तरीके से ही पहले से स्टार्ट की थी. लेकिन जो मेंस के अलग से पार्ट होते हैं जैसे एथिक्स वगैरह, वो प्रीलिम्स के बाद ज़्यादा अच्छे से पढ़ा था.
How did you prepare the compulsory language paper?
Compulsory language papers does not need much time. Like I'm from Hindi belt, तो मेरे papers थे हिंदी and English. For English paper there was no need to give specific time because I had my language English only. And for Hindi papers, before going for exam, 1 or 2 weeks Hindi reading of newspaper is good enough. I read Dainik Jagran and the editorials were good.
What was your optional subject in the IAS main exam?
Political science and international relations.
Do you think that the educational background of the candidates has a direct relation in choosing the subject in the IAS main exam?
If I quote examples, it has no direct relation. Students from engineering background have been choosing subjects from humanities, so there is no direct relation. But if someone has a good grip and command in his graduation subject, he can choose it. There is no issue. Optional subject is something which should be your best shot. You should be well versed in your optional subject to score good in optional.
Which book you studied for the subject?
Since my optional is more focused on contemporary developments, so I did not focus on books. Rather, I read Shubhra Ranjan ma'am class notes for political science, and there are few topics from IGNOU notes. There are IGNOU books on political science. And reading good articles. Paper 1 of my optional, second part is focused on Indian polity, which can be prepared by reading good articles, and paper 2 leaving some static part of comparative politics. India and its neighborhood relations can be prepared from newspaper and online sites only. So I could not refer to more books because of paucity of time as well. I read ma'am's notes and they were good enough. They were very consolidated.
What strategy one should adopt for IAS main general study paper 1?
Paper 1. Paper 1 has 4 subparts. It has history, it has world history, it has geography, and it has social issues. For history, till prelims, we used to refer to books like Spectrum, Modern India, and there is a book of Bipin Chandra, India's Struggle for Independence. That is a good book for giving overall view of our national movement. So I would refer to that book. I would say that please read that book for knowing about your national movement. And for world history is a very short topic. उसमें से 1 question 2 question आता है. For that also go for notes from Vision IAS or Vajiram, these 2 coachings does provide good notes about world history. And for geography, till prelims we would have read geography NCERTs and GC Leong. They are good enough for geography, and keep a track on current developments in geography also. For example, there was a question on landslides in Himalayas this year. So that is a general question which can be prepared by seeing the causes and the effects and how to prevent that landslide. So go for this approach for geography. And social issues can be prepared very generally from newspaper. Don't go for extra reading of social issues. If you are a part of your society, you can write a good answer on society.
What strategy one should adopt for GS paper second?
Paper 2 is polity, governance issues and international relations. And I had my optional of paper 2. So it was easy for me to prepare, but for other than that, I would advise you to go for thorough reading of Lakshmikant only. Don't go for bulky books of Subhash Kashyap because that takes lot of time and energy. And analyze the current developments like current bills, current acts and current schemes for paper 2. That can be done through PRS. PRS is a very good site for that. And IR can be prepared very easily. IR can be prepared through Jagran Josh site, and Insights on India website is also good. And there is debate on Rajya Sabha TV, India's World. It is a weekly debate and it is very good for preparing IR. For paper 2 can be prepared more through online sources rather than offline sources.
How did you prepare the social justice topics?
Social justice topics specifically can be prepared through governance issues. And governance issues, there is a good book which is written by some renowned IS officer only. So that book gives a perspective of social justice, and social justice relates to the schemes about empowerment of different sections, the deprived sections of our society. So that can be prepared through governance issues. A holistic preparation is very necessary for mains. We cannot go for subsection preparation, that becomes too lengthy. We have to go for holistic preparation and integrating our paper 1 with paper 2, paper 2 with paper 3. That can also be done.
How did you prepare the economic topics?
Economic issues, one very important book is Economic Survey. Other than preparing your static part about definitions of economics like fiscal deficit, budget deficit, you have to read Economic Survey thoroughly for mains as well as prelims also. It is a very must-read book, and keeping a track of the current developments in economics. I read only Hindu newspaper. I could not get time for reading Economic Times, but if someone has time, he can go for reading Economic Times as well for economics preparation. Economics preparation is general if you are a known citizen of your country who keeps tracks of the schemes like Digital India, Startup India and Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. The questions were more or less related to these topics only. And for mains, I would like to say that please enroll in a good test series program for mains. That gives you the questions which are promptly to be asked, and that gives you the preparation mode. The model answers of the questions are good enough to give you a basic framework for writing your answer.
How did you prepare for the technology topics?
Science and technology also, it was mainly focusing on current affairs only. And if we see the syllabus of mains, science and technology, it is mainly written that developments in the field of IT, space, computer, nano and bio. So these developments can be read through newspaper reading and the monthly magazines for current affairs. So that can generally be written. If I quote the example, the question was related to developments in space this year, which is a very easy question if we do know about the Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan and these developments of science.
How did you prepare the biodiversity topics?
Biodiversity was prepared through Shankar IAS environment book itself, and disaster management I prepared through Vision IAS notes on disaster management, as well as going through the boxes in ARC report for crisis management. There's a report of ARC on crisis management. The boxes were good enough.
What strategy one should adopt for general study paper 4th?
Ethics paper, since it is a new introduction, the first and foremost thing is to go for past year papers for ethics. Go and analyze those papers, that what is the pattern of questions being asked in ethics paper. I analyzed those papers and I could find that the main focus is on case studies. So practicing case studies becomes very important for ethics paper, since 130 marks out of 250 depends on your case studies part. तो case studies practice करते रहिए. प्रीलिम्स और मेंस के बीच में जितना गैप आ रहा है उसमें 25 से 30 केस स्टडीज लिख के देखिए कि आप कैसे लिख रहे हैं. गेट देम चेक्ड बाय योर टीचर्स और योर पीयर मेंबर्स whomsoever you think is comfortable you are. एंड थ्योरी वाले पार्ट के लिए आई वुड रिकमेंड डी सुब्बा राव एथिक्स की एक बुक है, उसमें हर वैल्यूज़ की और हर एटीट्यूड की डेफिनेशन दे रखी हैं. तो just go for one reading for that book for quoting examples in your answer. And enroll in a test series for ethics. Ethics में practice does matter. Practice polishes your skills of writing good answer for ethics.
What aspect one should highlight while writing the answers in the IAS main exam? Because now the number of questions has increased.
For completing 20 questions in 3 years 3 hours is a difficult task. So first and foremost, practice this thing. Practice completing 20 questions in 3 hours. And strategy should be go for a simple 1-line or 2-line introduction, then go for positive points of the question and negative points of the question and give a balanced conclusion. You have to be balanced in your answers. Underline the important points. Don't go for multiple pens. Write with a single pen and focus on writing. Like in paper 2 you can quote examples from second ARC report. In paper 4 you can quote examples from ethics and governance report. So if you are writing articles and second ARC, this gives a perspective to the examiner that you are aware of the public administration topics, you are aware of the reports, and that gives a good answer.
How far the time management is important in answering the IAS main papers?
It is very important. You have to focus on completing more and more questions. 1 mark matters. 1 mark पे 10 रैंक होती हैं, तो 18-19 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने का टारगेट लेके चलिए. एंड आप जब लिख रहे हैं मेक वॉच योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. 1 घंटे में 6-7 क्वेश्चन लिखने का प्रैक्टिस करते रहिएगा तो आपका वहाँ पे भी 1 घंटे में 6-7 क्वेश्चन हो जाएंगे. एंड टाइम मैनेजमेंट इसलिए भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम एक आंसर में ही इतना ज़्यादा टाइम दे देते हैं कि फिर हमारे पास टाइम नहीं बचता. ऐसे नहीं लिखना होता. हर आंसर को इक्वल टाइम दीजिए. एवरेज आंसर्स भी लिखेंगे तो उस पर मार्क्स अच्छे मिल जाएंगे.
How did you maintain balance between the various papers of general studies?
Balance between various papers. Since paper 1 is more or less static and that I prepared till prelims. So I did not focus much time on paper 1 and it helped me out also. I have got maximum marks in paper 1 only. So after prelims, I focused mainly on paper 2 and 3, which are less marks fetching. Since if we see the pattern of marking since last year, they are less marks fetching. So I focus more on paper 2 and 3 by going for an analytical approach of all the developments, all the bills, all the schemes. And paper 4, as I said earlier, I focus more on case studies. I devoted 15 to 20 days in between the gap for ethics only. And I focused on essay paper as well because essay is something which makes you or breaks you. If you are able to get good marks in essay, you are going to get your name in the list, and if you are not practicing essay, then you are risking your selection also.